Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Hyundai Accent. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and ensure it is discoverable in its settings. Then, on your car's audio system, press the Setup button, usually found near the display. This will allow you to access the main menu for system configurations. Once in the Setup menu, navigate to and select Phone. From there, you'll see an option to Add New Device. Select this to initiate the pairing. Your car's system will then search for available Bluetooth devices. When your phone appears on the car's screen, select it. A passkey will display on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm they match to complete the connection. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication. Use the steering wheel controls to answer or make calls safely. To stream audio, simply select the Bluetooth audio source on your car's system. You can then play music, podcasts, or navigation audio directly from your device. Adjust the volume and skip tracks using the car's audio controls for a seamless experience. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's audio system often resolves connection problems. You might also consider deleting old, unused devices from your car's Bluetooth memory to ensure optimal performance. Keeping your car's interior clean also enhances your driving experience. Speaking of upgrades, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home clean. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.